this TJ. You know what I'm saying? I rep SWAT individuals. Like, we about to get judging, so you know what's up. So, no fuss. So.
Model, you run that my way shit. Model, she walk the runway. Hey, model, you run that my way shit. Model, she walk the runway. Hey, model, you run that my way shit. Model, she walk the runway. Hey, model, you run that my way.
Can I hit that, get that, run that, and lick that? Since you say you a dime, can I flip that? Top model diva, let her meet Mamacita. Girl so hot, she give a nigga a fever. Fuck it, I think I need her. Usually I do it in booty, but I'm a keeper. So many hoes I can rent and lease them. I'm snatching niggas bitches like a street sweeper. And then I holla at Ace, you can have the thick hoes, bring the models my way. My taste buds telling me models is my taste. Her ass just right and she slim in her waist. Look at how she walk and make me wanna stalk. I never paid for her, but I'm buying what she wants cause she bad. I just gotta have it. Grab bad booty, I'ma grab it. Hey.